Okay, this is one way to carry out binary subtraction. We saw in the last tutorial, on the worked example, on how we created binary negative representation of numbers just using 2 bits, and in this case 1 bit for the sign, the number 1 representing the negative. We saw that we did this by simple process of taking the positive number, flipping the bits. So I flipped the bits, this became a 1 and a 0, and then I added 1 to it. So 1, 1 and 0 adding 1 became 1, 1, 1, and that's how I got the negative. So we built up negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. Now we're going to find that we can do subtraction by adding the positive number to the negative of the number we want to subtract from. So if I want to subtract 1 from 3, I take the binary equivalent of 3, and then the binary equivalent of negative 1, and then I use addition. So I have 1 and 1 is 0, and then I carry 1, 1, 1 in binary arithmetic is 1, and I have a carry. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore the last carry. And that's not the last carry, so 1 and 1 and 1 is 0, and my last carry is here, and I just ignore that last carry. So we ignore this one. So we end up with 3 plus negative 1 equals 2. And this is binary 2, as we can see here. One in the 2 column and 1 in the 0 column. Okay, let's do it for another number now. So let's add 3 and negative 2, which is the same as saying let's subtract 2 from 3. So this is negative 2 in binary. As we remember, we worked that out here, 1, 1, 0, with this one indicating our sign and these 2 bits representing our number. So 3 minus 2, or 3 plus negative 2, is 1. Let's see if this works. We add 1 to 1, and we get 1. 1 and 1 is 0, we carry 1, and 1 and 1 is 0, and we carry 1, and we ignore the last carry, so we get 0, 0, 1, which is 1. 3 plus minus 2 is 1, or 3 take away 2 is 1. Let's look at one more worked example now. For our final example, we'll look at 3 plus negative 3. And we remember how we worked out the negative 3. This indicates the negative number, and that's how negative 3 is represented, as we worked out in the last example. So 3 minus 3, or 3 plus negative 3, equals 0. Let's try this. So we use binary addition, and 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Zero, carry 1. And we ignore the last carry, and you can see we have 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. And that's one method of doing binary subtraction, is by using the negative number, working out the negative number, and adding using binary addition. Thank you.